Hey there, this is Matt Miller, and I'm the author of the Ditch That Textbook book and blog. And I want to welcome you to this course on how to use Screencastify. And I am super pumped that you're here because I really believe that Screencastify is one of these great tools that lets teachers and students get their ideas all together in video format to record it super simply and easily, and then get it out there for other people to be able to see. And using Screencastify it's really one of my favorite tools to recommend to teachers because there's so much that you can do with it to provide feedback to students and to help students create and so on and so forth. So in this video course, we're going to dig into everything that you need to use Screencastify effectively. We're going to talk about the basics of using Screencastify. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for creating screencasts in general and for using Screencastify itself. We're going to actually get into some practical uses of Screencastify in the classroom. And so you're going to be able to see the whole thing. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you the whole way and talking you through the whole process. And so I'm excited for you to be able to get into this. I know for me, I really believe that this is one of those tools that makes video creation so easy that it's almost as easy for students to create video with Screencastify as it is for them to create a document and turn it into you. So anyway, we'll get into more of that as we go, and I'm super excited to get started, so let's get started.